In front of me is on our pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to click on Privacy Controls. And finally hit Permission Manager. Now it's time to tap on one of your device's features you wish to manage, like location, and tap on one of your apps to manage it here. I will go with Firefox from Not Allowed section. Then apply any of those by clicking on the best one and going back. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, Firefox just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this browser. But you can also select any feature just to look for an app you wish to manage. So, in my case, I will go into Microphone to access my Chrome. Now, instead of tapping on any of those options, scroll all the way down to choose See All Permissions. And manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!